Hey FBLA, we thought this would be a fun way to announce the winners for the FBLA board. So again, we calculated all of your votes, even the round twos. So again, every vote was counted, and we just thought that this would be a fun way. Even though we are quarantined, we are not actually together. We would never disobey orders like that. We're rule followers.
This is called technology, guys. We figured it out.
So we're going to let you guys know who your board is going to be for the 2020-2021 school year.
For president, congratulations to Allison Lee and Pranav Nair.
Woo! And for vice president, Pranav Dendakuri and Jasmine Samadi.
Yay! For secretary, it is Ensign Pan and Elisa Ng. Yay!
And for treasurer, Joshua Dong and Kevin Zhu.
Yay!
Not that we're not proud of all of you. I know that it takes a lot to go out there and put yourself out there, especially because we asked you guys to do videos this year. The videos were amazing. I mean, we were texting back and forth to each other. I mean, they made us laugh. They made us cry. Epic. And, you know, hopefully you guys are proud of each other and proud of yourselves, because it was super cool seeing what you guys did. And we also do have some news, too. We can't give you guys much more than what we know right now, but there is going to be some semblance of a nationals
that you'll be able to participate in for this school year. As soon as we have further details as to how it's going to all work out, we will let you know. And, you know, we'll be forwarding on information continuously. We would like to have another meeting in the future. We'll let you know, hopefully on Monday, when that meeting will be, just to kind of in person congratulate you, not through just video like we are now. But we are really proud of all of you, and we can't wait to see you guys, hopefully, at our next Zoom.
All right, guys.
Peace.
Peace.